Are you suffering from back pain? If so, you might love this red light therapy waist belt. Now, I was sent this for a review, but my opinions are completely my own, so let's unbox it and check it out. Now, this product is ready to go. This has some heft to it. That's pretty cool. On the back here, this is where it'll have some vibration modes. And then this is the part that will face your body. And these are all the lights for red light therapy. And it has a variety of modes. So we'll get into that in a moment. And then the entire thing connects onto with Velcro. This is all Velcro material. So you really can make this pretty darn skinny. I think that would fit on one of my kids. But it can expand quite a bit too. I think that's the largest it can expand. And all the control comes from this controller right here. It magnetically holds on to the belt. I'm gonna peel off the sticker so it's ready to go, and it's just a touch screen, and it has a USB-C charge on the bottom. Now here are those red lights. There really are quite a few of them. And the material is a polyester material, but it is pretty soft. It has a fair amount of padding in it. And the back, you can feel kind of bumps where these vibration pieces are, but it's pretty smooth altogether. So I'm gonna go with a level 2 massage and a level 1 intensity to start. And put it on a 15-minute timer. So I want to change that massage. It really only has 3 levels. It has a slow level, level 2 is a bit faster, and level 3 is definitely the fastest. So now I'm going to turn off the massage completely and just go to the intensity. You have 6 levels. The first ones are just getting stronger in brightness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the 6th level is a pulsating red light. I now have it on and it feels really nice, not too constricting, just supportive. The back, I'm not noticing any of the bumps in it. It just feels kind of like a supportive belt. And I'm going to start with the massage at level 2 and the red light therapy at level 3. Let me put this on. It feels really, really nice. I love the vibrations, especially because they're not only great in their own right, but it makes it feel like something's happening. Red light is definitely harder to notice a difference till later on. I feel like I'm getting a wonderful vibrating massage and it feels really nice. I could totally see myself wearing this while working at my desk or while relaxing and laying down on the couch or in bed. It's just a really, really nice belt. And I'm really impressed with everything I've read about red light therapy and massage and excited to see how much of an impact this makes over time. I love that it's not so intense that it distracts me, but it's just enough that I know it's making a real difference. So I am really thrilled that I was sent this product for review, and I'll definitely be using it on a regular basis.